Good morning, children. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School Uppugundur. Welcome to social class. Now, in this session, I am going to start a new chapter, that is Globe Model of the Earth. Globe Model of the Earth. Okay, so in previous class, I finished first lesson. Clearly, everybody understood the first lesson. So this is very easy topic, globe model of the earth. Finally, what you will understand in this lesson, so globe is the true model of the earth regarding north pole, regarding south pole, regarding equator, all those things we are going to cover. What we are going to learn in this lesson, you will understand globe is the true model of the earth. Okay, now why seasons are forming, why day and nights are occurring, all those things you will learn in this chapter. In the previous classes already you learned regarding this. Clearly you will understand why globe is the true model of the earth. First of all, I am asking you few questions. If you see the world map, especially if you observe east of the world map or west of the world map, which ocean is flowing? That is my question. Which ocean is flowing? If you see the world map, if you take the world map, I will show you. For example, so this is a world map. Clearly observe. So this is world map. This is east side of world map. This is west side of world map. Isn't it or not? So here one ocean is flowing, located. Here one ocean is located. So please identify the name of that ocean. Tell me anybody? Yes. Here Pacific Ocean is flowing. Here Pacific Ocean is flowing, isn't it or not? So east side Pacific Ocean, west side Pacific Ocean is flowing. Why? If you see the globe, suppose in your school, in the offices, we are observing the round globe. What is the shape of the round globe? Tell me. Yes, it is okay, little bit flattened in the top and bottom, bulged in the middle, isn't it or not? Clearly if you observe the globe, north, that means top and bottom flattened, then the middle part bulged. If you take orange, orange shape is also same like that globe, isn't it or not? If you see the orange, so what is the shape of the orange? Top and bottom flattened and the middle part is bulged, isn't it or not? Okay, that is the shape of the globe. So globe is in round shape. If you see this world map, then fold the world map, then these two oceans, okay, flowing in the same direction. That means, so these two ocean, so actually mingled together and flowing, isn't it or not? Okay, so this shape is flat shape, isn't it or not? This, okay, especially this map shape is flat shape, but actually our earth shape is round shape. Okay, na? That's why, that is the reason west side and east side Pacific Ocean is flowing. If you then fold it, this map, then so automatically Pacific Ocean flowing. If you want clarity in this regard, take the globe. Globe is perfectly example of the model of the earth. Okay, na? Globe is the perfect example of model of the earth. Then it is in a round shape. Top and bottom flattened, middle bulged, then this both sides Pacific Ocean is flowing. Understood? I think so, everybody. Okay, na? So globe is the true model of the earth. Here for us some confusion will come. Why, sir? This west side and this east side same ocean flowing. Such a confusion will come. But if you see the globe, due to the shape of the round, due to the earth shape, okay na? So both sides Pacific Ocean is flowing. Isn't it or not? Understood, I think so, everybody. So here what I have written, globe is a true model of the earth. Regarding this, I told you very clearly. Then the next one is latitudes, longitudes, poles and equator. I will explain you. So here what I have written, have you ever seen the old map? I showed you old map. You will observe same ocean on the both sides of the map. It is the dash ocean. Just now I explained you. Which ocean? Yes, Pacific Ocean. Okay. Thus we can say earth is round in shape. That also I explained you. It has been proved by ancient navigators during the 15th century. Who proved this one? Earth is in round shape. Ancient navigators. Okay, na? These navigators, tell me yourself, who are navigators? These persons are adventurers, always finding the new places. Okay, na? These especially navigators always finding the new places. They are going far places, identifying the new places, giving so much information to world, isn't it or not? If a new place find or found by them, automatically lot of information people will get it. How, sir? Give me one example. Yes, I will give. You know, regarding Columbus, who discovered America? Columbus discovered America. He was a navigator. Columbus was a navigator. He wanted to find sea route to India. Okay, na? Before that, navigators, by using the Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea, they reached India. Okay, whenever these navigators identified Earth is in round shape, finally Columbus decided, if I started my journey westwards, I will reach either India or China. Finally, I will reach India. So that he started his journey. Then he reached West Indies. Then what he felt, I reached India, but actually it is not India. It is a new place. That new place discovered by a navigator. He is nothing but Christopher Columbus. Who discovered America? Christopher Columbus. Such persons generally we called navigators. I think everybody having the clarity the word navigator. These navigators founding, that means finding the new places, like Christopher Columbus. Okay, na? Then who found sea route to India? Vasco da Gama, navigator. Vasco da Gama, isn't it or not? Okay, na? Then, so 15th century, they found, who navigators found, Earth is in round shape. Before that, they thought different. Before 15th century, navigators thought Earth is in a flat shape. We travel far off places, we will fall down from the earth, then we will die. Like that they felt. But afterwards, then they thought, they realized Earth is not in flat shape. Earth is in round shape. That's why somebody traveled towards east side, then somebody traveled towards west side, somebody traveled towards north, somebody traveled towards, okay, now south. Okay, now such a way they means navigators started their journeys. Okay, now so that we can say the globe is the true model of the earth. Are you agree with my statement? Which is the true model of the earth? Globe is the true model of the earth. Okay, na? Globe is the true model of the earth. If I say earth is true model of the earth, then correct it, not earth, globe. Globe is the true model of the earth. Once again, I am saying, pronouncing, globe is a true model of the earth. Just now, I given one example. If you go to the office room, then you are able to find the globe. Globe shape is round. Then that is the true model of the earth. If you see the globe, then especially west side and east side, which ocean is flowing? Yes, Pacific Ocean is flowing. Okay, due to the round shape of the earth, then we can identify the same ocean in west side and east side. It separates the, okay, especially Pacific Ocean separates the Americans from Asia and Australia. Pacific Ocean separates the Americans from Asia and Australia. Understood? I think so, everybody. I given clarity. So once again I am asking, which is the true model of the earth? Globe is the true model of the earth. Which century navigators found globe is the true model of the earth? 15th century navigators found earth shape is round. Okay, na? They found like that. Who? Ancient navigators. Then, so what you have read in the previous classes, earth is not completely sphere. Earth is not a complete sphere. It is slightly flattened in the top and bottom part, and the middle it is bulged. Just now I explained you. Okay, na? So especially you tell me 0 degrees latitude is called as equator. 23 and half, okay, na? So 23 and half north latitude is called as Tropic of Cancer. 23 and half south latitude is called as Tropic of Capricorn. 66 and half north latitude is called as Arctic Circle. 66 and half south latitude is called as Antarctic Circle. Then afterwards, top and bottom we have 2 points. One is North Pole and bottom is South Pole. Top is North Pole and bottom is South Pole. Okay, na? Then the globe is not static. Static means, so it is not stay in one place. Globe is not stay in one place. It is not static. It rotates like a top. Top means bongaram in Telugu. It rotates like a top or potter's wheel. You are able to observe potter's wheels in the villages. Okay, like that it is rotating. Which is rotating? Earth is rotating like a top or potter's wheel. So that what you will observe on the globe, okay, one needle is passes, okay, through the globe, isn't it or not? One needle is, so especially in the south, and that means top and bottom, you are observing the needle. Okay, na? So those are 2 points. One is North Pole, another one is South Pole. Okay, see, it rotates as a top tie or potter's wheel. On a globe, countries, continents and oceans are shown in proportionate size, isn't it or not? If you see the globe, you are able to identify the continents, oceans. Okay, na? Continents and oceans, then countries. Again, continents are differentiated into countries. These are all shown in proportionate size. Okay, na? Almost all. Okay, na? One perfect shapes and sizes they shown in the map. So next axis of the earth axis. Okay, na? So in the previous classes, what you will learn, earth moves on its own axis. Tell me again. Earth moves on its own axis, that is called its rotation. Okay, na? Then before going to that, I am asking you one question. If you take the globe, which is the model of the earth, if you take the globe, then you are able to observe one needle. Okay, then if you then push it, then okay, now if you push it, it rounds by using that needle, isn't it or not? That is called, that needle is the axis of the earth. Actually, our earth in real time, there is no needle passes through it, isn't it or not? By imaginary purpose, okay, we are fixing. That means we are imagining a needle passes through the earth, that is axis. By using the axis, earth is moving its own axis. You noticed that a needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner. Tilted means bended. Okay, na? This is a straight, this is a tilted. Bend. Okay, fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. That is the axis of the earth. Understood, I think so. This is the axis of the earth. 2 points on the globe through which needle passes are 2 poles. One is north pole and south pole. Okay, now very very important. 2 points on the globe, the north side and south side. North point is called north pole, south point is called south pole. The globe moves around this from west to east direction. Very very important. Earth moves from which direction to which direction? West to east direction, just as the earth moves. The globe moves around this. Around this means needle. That is nothing but axis. Okay, now the globe moves around this axis west to east direction. Which direction? West to east direction, just as earth moves. The real earth has no such axis. Just now, that means no such needle. Just now I explained you. So earth rotational axis is an imaginary straight line which passes through north pole and south pole. Okay, na? So that is an imaginary line, imaginary needle which passes through north to south pole. Okay, now do you understand? So in this session, what did you learn? In this session, you learned globe is the true model of the earth. Okay, then in the 15th century, navigators found then earth is in a round shape. That's why they traveled towards north, east, west, south. Then they found new places. They reached different countries. Then they done their business activities. Okay, then after that, regarding axis of the earth, I explained you. Okay, axis is nothing but a needle passes through the globe. Okay, so north pole and south pole it has. So actually the real earth has not having such axis. By imaginary purpose, we are saying an imaginary line passes from north pole to south pole. That is the axis of the earth. All those things we discussed in this class. Everybody understood? I think so. Okay, now once again you go through this what I written on the board. Note down clearly. One by one you go through. Once again you read it. Earth moves from which direction to which direction? From west to east direction. That is also very very important. Remember that one. Okay, na? So in the next session I will start a new part in this lesson. Which lesson I started today? Globe model of the earth. Okay, na? Thank you very much.